Do you know how to use the Plant Style Manager in VectorWorks 2026? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching VectorWorks for over 25 years. In fact, I wrote one of the very first landscape tutorial manuals. This is the Plant Style Manager in VectorWorks 2026. It is a fantastic improvement to controlling your plant styles. Now, the whole purpose of this is plant styles. So you do have to understand the difference between an instance and a style. The Plant Style Manager works really well when a lot of the information in your plant is controlled by the style. Let me give you an example. Here we've got plants with classes, with tags. I'm going to choose here, for this plant style, I would like the tag to be on the right side. Now I'm doing that by style, not by instance. By choosing by style, all of those plants should get their tag. There they are there, they've got their tag now. Let's go back to that and I can turn that tag off. Let's turn that to none, let's apply it, and you can see I've lost the tags. But if you wanted to tag all of the plants, you can also do that. So let's tag all of the plants, only this time we'll do it to all plant styles. Now by doing it to all plant styles, you'll notice that they all say right. When I go down here, you'll notice that those plants have got the tags, these ones have got the tags, these ones have got the tags hiding somewhere, and so on. So this is a fantastic way of controlling all of your plant styles in your project. Now it only works in this project. If you go to a different project, the plant styles are controlled through this dialog box, but separately. So I can turn all of those to none. We can also change plant graphics. So I can replace the top plane graphics. I can replace this one with something else. Let's choose that one, select it, but this plant style only. So not all of them, just this one. If I choose all my plant styles, it'll replace everything. And you can see it's replaced those and this one, these down here. This is a great way of controlling all of your plants together. Now, what kind of things can you control? Well, it depends which columns you've got here. You can turn columns on or off. Turn the plant style name on or off, and so on. But you'll notice that when you turn something off and then turn that column on, it always goes to the back. We can look at the letter name, the common name. We can edit these. We can change the size and spacing, the appearance, the maintenance, the root zones, the tag, which I had turned on just a minute ago. I can turn that off. I can look at things by their category. So I could choose, I want to look at trees. And so now I'm just looking at my tree graphics and my tree information. If I turn everything back on, I can see everything. So I've got the ability now to just look at the grasses, to look at the ground covers, or look at them both together. This is just such a fantastic tool. Now today we looked at this in detail at the landscape course. We went through everyone's questions. We went through the things that you can change and the things that you can't change. And if you want to have more information about using a Plant Style Manager, check out my community. I'll put the link in the description and I'll catch you there.